how to cure acne using tomato. We all know that tomato is used for cooking various recipes, but very few know that it is very useful in removing acne from our face. Tomato contains a lot of vitamins such as B1, B3, K, E, C, iron, potassium and antioxidant known as lycopene. The various home remedies can be made by using tomato, which are very helpful in reducing and removing acne from our skin. Use tomato pulp. Just take a normal-sized tomato, cut it into small pieces and grind it in a mixture grinder. Apply this mixture on the acne-affected area on your face and wash after an hour. Repeat this process once in a day. Use tomato and yogurt mixture. Just take a half piece of tomato and crush it to make a paste and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of yogurt and mix it properly. Apply the mixture on your acne-affected areas and rinse it water after 30 minutes. Do it once a day and see the magic. Use tomato with lemon juice. Take 2 teaspoons of tomato juice and add 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice in it to make a proper mixture. Apply it on the acne-affected areas and wash your face after 10 minutes. Do it twice a day to get better results. Use of tomato with milk. Just cut a tomato into small pieces and grind it to make a paste, and then add a small amount of milk in it. Apply this mixture on the acne on your face and rinse with water after 15 minutes. Use this mixture daily. These are the best and the cheapest home remedies for getting rid of acne in a few days.